get it right. Trying to find some balance in my life, but I never really put up.
Hey everyone, and welcome to another video with your girl. So as y'all can see, I have my orders here that I need to get done. I'm going to show you guys how I do that. So I'm just going to be printing out more orders. So this is half of them. Alright, so I printed out my other orders and I am packaging this. This time I'm using my pink crinkly paper and my pink ribbon that I got from the Dollar Tree to just wrap it. This is just a blue binder that goes with her set.
Someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say.
So these are done and ready to be shipped. I'm about to package these up and then go to the post office. Alright, so this is the orders that I'm about to go ship, and then those are the orders that I need to finish. I'm keeping them in this. Alright, so I'm at the post office. Y'all see the snow? I'm just leaving the post office on my way home. I just wanted to thank everybody who supports Blazin Beauty. You guys are truly amazing. Make sure you go and check out my sale on my Etsy store. It'll be going on until the 18th. So I appreciate you guys.